take your phone call. We'll gather some information, your name, address, probably about how did you hear about Blair Mechanical, and then we'll set up an appointment with you at your convenience for someone to come out and go through the process with you. It generally takes about 1 hour to go through the process with you. We consult with you. We go through the layout of your home, the rooms that are most concerning to you, whether it's heating or cooling. We'll size up your home, we'll measure it up, and we'll design a system for your ultimate comfort level. We can also trim it to budgets. Maybe you'll want to put a couple just for a couple rooms, and that's going to be fine. You can add more on later, or you say let's do the whole top floor consisting of 4 or 5 indoor units. So we'll design that system with you, and then we'll go through it, we'll size it, we'll make sure you got the right size unit, and then we'll put a price to that, and we'll talk about options. How long does it take to do the job? Well, it really depends on to the extent of how many, if it's a multi-head job or if it's a single zone job. You know, the single zone job is basically done that day for the most part. We can get it wrapped up in 1 day. The multi-indoor unit job, you know, that can be 2 days. It can even be 3 days depending on how many indoor units you want. So there's different amounts of time. We try to work with your schedule the best we can and try to give you the best timelines we can too. When your technician arrives at your home, he's going to obviously enter your home, and he's going to go over your expectation, also some of the instruction that he received from the office, how this application would work. Possibly the sales consultant that was out at your home would also be meeting that morning, also just to make sure we're all on the same path and the same strategy of how this is going to be installed comparatively to when we were first at your home. So we'll go over that application with you just to make sure we're all on the same page, and that expectation is set right from the get-go. And basically after that, we go ahead and do our work, and if we have any questions for you, we'll just definitely keep you informed along the process. How is it going to look on the outside of our home? What's the whole job going to look like? Aesthetically, you're going to have the indoor head mounted near the ceiling of the room that we discussed earlier where it was going to go. We typically put out the refrigeration lines, the electrical lines, the condensate line to the outside of your home, where it's run internally in a plastic covering that is a paintable covering. So when you look at the job outside of the home, it is neat, tidy, and it's a great installation. If you require any more information, simply visit us online or give us a phone call at Blair Mechanical.